We're heading to Pirates Cove.
Skaboo?
Skaboo.
You can play Skaboo?
It's iced over.
I love Skaboo.
Already knocked all the snow off the car, loaded up. Hopefully we're not out till dark. It's like 9 a.m. So if we're getting back when it's dark, that means we caught a freaking giant. Look at all those turkeys. Oh my gosh, there's more. Dude, it's like a flock of 40. Well, here we are, marching on the side of a cliff. Whoa! We're still hiking, about 4.5 miles in. It's a carp. We got one. Oh, it's big. Oh, he's fighting. Oh, he's digging. Carp on a worm. Dude, it's a big one. Oh, let's go, baby. Ladies and gentlemen, we got ourselves a carp.
Color is snowfish.
Nice Conan carp. Snowfish. Gonna let him go. Oh, whoa, he might let himself go. It's kind of crazy. Later, dude. Woo! Let's go. It was worth it. Get it. This rod's getting slammed. Lift up. Yeah. Gone? What? Oh, that rod was slammed. Well, ladies and gentlemen, you know us. About to get this fire cooking. We just had a solid bite. I mean, that rod was slammed. Here goes nothing. So they're eating the worms, huh? No. Yeah, I think the wind put that out before it could even, I'm gonna have to just get a little bit closer. Take 3. Dude, no way. Dude, no way. We're not gonna get this fire lit.
One try. We gotta wait.
Oh my gosh. I don't know, dude. You're on a hot streak.
You can go find that lighter in the fucking trail.
You think it works?
No.
Our last match. It's snowing. We have no way back. We're 5 miles into the woods. Last strike. Hands are frozen. No.
This one's bad. This one's really bad. Ah.
It's so cold. Oh, no.
There's gotta be another one.
We're not gonna make it.
Yeah, I'm going to get the lighter.
We saw a lighter on the trail last night, 2 nights ago when we were walking back. Don't know where it's at. Ground's covered in snow.
Fuck!
But we're out of matches. It's the only way. It's our only hope.
That just sucked, dude.
Fuck! Damn it! We had to come back to our home cove because we got snowed out, winded out, and yeah, we didn't get the fire lit. Don't worry, guys. I was on photo mode, but we finally got one. Little croaker. Some little fish. Don't let him go. There he goes. Nice.